everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Nini Dayang is back again. And you know guys, where we are?
Yeah.
You know where we are?
Yeah.
This is our new house. It's been a while that I haven't done any of my channel yet. And it's busy. And now I am back and I'm excited for this new start, new house.
Brown and black.
Yeah, so
Mommy's hair is brown and black.
there's my two makulit. This is Daday and this is Dodoy. Dali.
Remember to like and subscribe to our videos.
Yes, always, right?
Yeah.
Oh, kailangan ko pala mag-Tagalog kasi ito ang aming backyard. Ito ang aming deck. Saka yan ang aming bahay sa likod. Ayan. So, sa susunod, i-tutor ko kayo sa aming bagong bahay. Ito yung aming gazebo. Yeah.
I'll show them their house.
Oh, yeah?
Our house.
Yeah, we could.
And we're going to camping on Mommy's birthday.
Oh, yeah. Excited sa camping? Yeah. Yes, yan. So, itong over a year.
And we also got so many firewood.
Naging busy din. So, at
Mom, show them
siguro
our
mga
house.
over a
Mom,
month
show them our house.
na kami dito sa aming bagong bahay.
Mom, show them our house.
Yan. Ang journey namin sa paghanap. Hindi ko na i-share sa inyo. So, maybe next time I will share it with you guys. Kaya, ito, kalinis ko lang ng backyard ng weekend. Yeah. Ayan. So, next time, igagala ko kayo ulit sa aming bagong bahay. Ayan siya. It's 1.5 story. Ayan. At malaki ang backyard namin. Ayan. Kaya, may taniman na naman ako. Spring na. Ayan ang aking taniman. So, yeah. See ya. See ya next time mga kanini. It's very good weather today. Maganda ang weather ngayon. Mainit. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Pero yung tama lang. Okay? Alright. See ya na soon.